Hi, it's Daniel Brown here. I would like to spend a little bit of time giving you an overview of the third Excel project. The third Excel project has to do with charts. Most of what you learn in this project is applicable to any chart in Excel. I am going to choose 3 example charts, and your project will have you implementing each of these examples. The 3 charts that I'm going to use are the box and whiskers, the histogram, and the scatter plot. And these 3 charts are all charts that one might use to analyze a distribution of data, to get an understanding of what a data set looks like. The box and whiskers chart is a relatively simple way to summarize a distribution. The histogram also summarizes the distribution but shows you a little more information about it. One thing to note on the histogram, there is a built-in Excel histogram chart, which is fairly easy to create but somewhat limited in your flexibility. I will show you that chart, but I also will show you how to build a histogram from scratch in Excel. Finally, the scatter plot allows you to look at 2 distributions that are perhaps related in some way. We're going to look at scatter plots in your project, looking at stock data and looking at a particular stock in relationship to the S&P 500. At the bottom of this Canvas page, you will find spreadsheets and video content demonstrating all of the skills. Good luck.